Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monkey Raft. First, open Roblox and navigate to the Games section. Use the search bar to find Monkey Raft and select the official game. Once found, click to join a server. You will then spawn on a small raft, ready to begin your exciting journey across the vast ocean. This is your starting point for an amazing adventure. Once you are in the game, your primary goal is to gather resources. Look for wood, plastic, and other materials floating nearby. You can also paddle to small islands to chop down trees using your axe. Bring these materials back to your raft and use your workbench to craft new sections, expanding your vessel. Remember, a bigger raft means more space for survival. Survival is key in Monkey Raft. You will encounter various threats, including aggressive enemy monkeys and dangerous sea creatures. Craft and upgrade weapons like spears or bows to defend yourself. Also, remember to manage your character's hunger and thirst. Catch fish, grow crops, and cook food to stay healthy and strong on your long voyage. Stay vigilant. As you progress, explore further to find larger islands with rarer resources and hidden treasures. Consider trading with other players you encounter to get items you need or sell your surplus. Your ultimate goal is to build the largest, most resilient raft, capable of withstanding any challenge the ocean throws at you. Have fun building your ultimate floating fortress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.